Welcome back to my channel everyone, and Happy New Year 2023. I hope it brings joys to your life. And today we are going to cook veg dal, which is a classic Bengali recipe. It's very simple to make, and let's have a look what we need to have in hand. So for vegetables, we are taking cauliflower, medium-sized carrot, 1 cup of green peas, 1 tomato, 1 chili, and for spices we are taking 1 cardamom, half inch of dalchini, and 1 clove. I'm taking 2 cup of moong dal, and I'm going to roast it on a medium heat. Try roasting moong dal here on a medium heat. So it takes approx 1 to 2 minutes depending on to the quantity of dal that you're taking. I'm looking for a pinkish tone on the dal. After roasting for 2 minutes, you can see the dal is changing color. It's going into brownish and pinkish color. I have washed dal now, and I will add 1 cup of water to it. And in the meantime, on the pan, I'm going to pour in 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and let it heat up. Now I'm going to add the spices. I'm adding 2 bay leaves, dalchini, cardamom, and clove. I'm going to let it temper the oil. Now I'm going to add the vegetables. And fry it till I see a little char on the skin of the vegetable. Here I'm going to cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now cover it up. After 2 minutes, we are going to remove the lid. I'm using frozen peas here. If you want, or if you have access to fresh peas, seasoned peas, you can take them as well. Now I'm adding the dal with the water. I've used 2 cups of water here. I'm going to mix it well. Adding the spices now: 1 teaspoon turmeric, salt to taste, and pinch of sugar for taste. Mixing it well. And maintaining the heat on medium. I'm going to cook it for further 5 minutes here. After 4 minutes, I'm adding tomato. Now adding chili to it. Now we are going to cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes, we are going to check if the vegetables are smushy. That means it's well cooked. I can see the consistency is what I would like it at. Now it's optional, but I would highly recommend, if you can do this, add a pinch of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of ghee, and it's ready to be served. Like and share and subscribe, guys, if you like this video. I have crossed 100 subscribers and it's a great pleasure letting you guys know this. Till next time, see you.